Good morning, class. I do hope everyone is having a fantastic Friday, as today is also the last day of our term work. Please do remember that your assignment number 16 matching quiz based on Americans' foreign policy over 2 periods does have a due date of 12 p.m. today. We're now going to move on to the summative evaluation of our course. That is, of course, made up of your accumulating assignment as well as your final exam. Today, you will be introduced to your accumulating assignment, which has a due date of next Tuesday, 12 p.m. We'll begin by clicking on the content icon of our home screen and moving down to the final area of the course, your cumulative activity. From here, you'll look at the introduction, the overview of the accumulating assignment. Essentially, you are going to be able to choose from a list of 12 topics, and each topic has a question beside it that will allow you, or hopefully allow you, to provide two answers to the story, two answers to the question, essentially two perspectives. Not to say one is right or one is wrong, but what you're being marked on is the ability to show different perspectives based on evidence that you have found throughout your research. And you want to make sure that you are documenting this evidence properly, as this is a grade 11 university course. The sourcing and citation, the bibliographical information that you will be using to support your perspectives with evidence that you research must be referenced. Next, you'll click on the content area. In the content area, I have given you an example. Here we look at the example of Jacksonian democracy. We learned about that earlier on in the course. And the question that's being asked, was he the people's president or was he really a tyrant? In the example, I've showed you ways in which you will answer that question. Of course, building a thesis statement in support, and a second thesis statement showing the other side. Quotations will be very important here, as well as mentioned earlier, the works cited. So you're kind of creating two essays in one. You have a topic and you're showing two perspectives on that topic using the question I provided as a guiding source or reference. This assignment is to be emailed to me via our D2L platform. Here we see a list of your 12 topics. And finally, the information that you will be assessed on, the way information is gathered, the way information is documented, your ability to show the contrasting perspectives, your thesis statements for both sides of the argument, quotations for both sides of the argument, 3 to 5 pages, 8 sources. Do not plagiarize, and feel free to include images, maps, anything that will support your assignment.